Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco again with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today is actually going to be a very simple one. I'm just going to show you guys how to log out and how to manage your subscription. These are very simple things, but sometimes it's just nice to have a video to show you step by step how to get there, just in case you're having one of those days and you can't even figure out how to log out of the app. We've all been there, so no worries. Full disclosure, as always, guys, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. Just go ahead, get the app open, bottom right, profile, then we're going to settings. And in order to log out, you're just going to come down here to the personal settings. Here you can also set your notifications, language, sign-in methods, but then you'll see this one at the bottom here that says log out, and then it'll just confirm if you do want to log out. If the most common reason I see this is people forgot their password and they don't know how to reset it, in that case, you can just log out and then use the forgot password option. And then you'll go through the normal stuff whenever you reset a password with any software. It's going to ask for some sort of confirmation, email, text, whatever you have it set as. So that's logging out. Real simple. No worries there. In order to manage your subscription, though, you're going to go to the one just below subscription and billing. And then you'll just go to either your subscription or billing details. So your subscription, that's just going to show you what kind of a subscription that you have, how much it costs. And then it's also going to show if you have Boost turned on. And then you will also see these text messages, just because if you do exceed a limit of, I believe, 2,000 text messages per month for a normal paid account, you will have to start paying. I've never seen that happen before, but theoretically it could happen if you're really pounding those text marketing campaigns out. So those are really the main ways you're going to be charged. So that's why it has here, you know, your subscription, Boost, text messages. The only ever time you'll see charges from Booksy is going to be if you're using some sort of payment method. So mobile payments, tap to pay, something like that, or the Booksy card reader, then you'll have that small percentage charge, which is pretty standard with any of those payment methods. So no worries there. And then billing details, this is just where you can go to either see the billing history or the invoice details. So that's pretty much it for that, guys. Real quick one today. Didn't really feel I need to get too into it. So that'll cover, as I said, how to log out of the app and then manage subscription and billing as well. If you guys thought this video is useful, please like and subscribe. That does help out the channel. And also, if you are thinking of subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months using the app. Other than that, guys, appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you on the next one.